Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to download a sample database for our SQL Server 2017 Express. And the name of the database we're going to download is called AdventureWorks 2014. And the link address to download from is displayed below. So this is where we're going to head to download the AdventureWorks 2014. This database is going to be in the form of an extracted file, so you need to have a software extraction tool like WinZip, WinRAR, or 7-Zip. These are just the three common ones. There may be other software extraction tools around, but as long as you've got a software extraction tool, you should be good to go. So let's head over to the download site to download the sample database. So this is the site to download the sample database. So just scroll down and you should see an option to download. So that's the link. So make sure you've got the AdventureWorks 2014 full backup. So it has to say full database backup.zip. .zip basically means it's an extracted file, so you need a software extraction to unpack or unzip the file. So click on this one here and the download should begin. So that's the download. You can see the icon for my software extraction tool. I have got WinRAR. WinRAR is free to download, by the way, and use. So that's WinRAR there. So once that's finished downloading, I can unpack or extract it. So it tells you the size is 42.7 megabytes. So the download has completed. That's a file. So I'm just going to go to the downloaded location. So this is the download location. You can see I've already installed WinRAR. WinRAR is a software extraction tool. That's my downloaded WinRAR. And this is the AdventureWorks we've just downloaded. So I'm going to extract it by right clicking on it and then click on extract here, and that will extract the database. So that's the database here. It's got the BAK file extension. If I right click, you can see the size. This is a small file, it's not that big. So that is the size, 44.5 megabyte. So in the next lecture, we're going to attach this database to our SQL server. Thanks for watching and bye for now.